Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fitbit Charge 6 and MobileTrack activation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Fitbit Charge 6 from its box. Ensure that your Fitbit is charged before proceeding. Download the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Fitbit app once the download is complete. If you don't have an account, create a new one by tapping the Join Fitbit button. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Select the option to set up a device. Scroll through the list and choose Charge 6 from the available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Charge 6 to your mobile device. When prompted, tap the option to pair your Fitbit via Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device for the pairing process. Enter the code displayed on your Charge 6 into the app if prompted. After successful pairing, your Fitbit Charge 6 will sync with the app. Next, activate MobileTrack within the app for additional functionality. Go to the Settings tab in the app. Select MobileTrack from the list of available features. Toggle the MobileTrack option to enable it. Your Fitbit Charge 6 is now set up and MobileTrack is activated. Check the app for tracking options and personal settings. Explore the various features available to optimize your health tracking. Enjoy using your Fitbit Charge 6. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.